YouTube, it's Aaliyah here, your nail tech bestie, and this is my first YouTube video. I am so excited to show y'all what I have in store, but actually I'm here to show y'all this set that I did. So if you enjoy what you're looking at, or you want to see how I created this masterpiece, continue watching. I already prepped my nails with my cuticle bit and my cuticle pusher. Right now I'm just putting on some nail tips that I got from Amazon, which I'll be linking in the description. The glue that I'm using in this video is this glue I got from my local nail supply store. I asked him for the KDS glue, but this is what he gave me, which is not KDS glue. And I was just like, sir, we want KDS, we want the good stuff. But this glue does work as well. It sticks. You know, it sticks my nail tips on, so I'm not complaining, even though I bought like a whole bunch and I wanted KDS, but it's fine. So after gluing on my nail tips, I go in with my hand file to blend my natural nail and my nail tips so I can have a seamless application when I put on my acrylic powder. I then use this OPI Bondex to put on my natural nails before I put my acrylic on for my prepping. So for my application, I'm using the color Martini Blue, which is from Mia Secret's Color Punch Pack. All the colors in this pack is just beautiful. They bright, they lovely, everything I like. But yeah, I got it from Amazon. Obviously you can see Amazon's a plug, but we already knew that. I also used this pack from Mia Secret on my other set that I did that you can see on my other hand. But the only thing that I would say with this acrylic powder, I think it dries fast, or maybe it was me, or maybe it was my brush. I don't know what it was, but it just wasn't, the color was not maneuvering the way I wanted to maneuver around my nails. It was just like staying in one place. So I don't know, but you know, it still worked out at the end, so it's cool, it's cool. For this next powder that I use, it's called Cover Beige by Mia Secret, which I absolutely love for when I am doing my ombre nails, but I used it to do my smile line. This was my first time doing this smile line, so I'm pretty proud of my work. Like I stated, this is my first time doing a smile line, so I just used these scissors that I bought from the beauty supply store. There's some cheap scissors that I bought to just shape the smile line, and then I go over with my hand file and I just shape it so it can have some crisp lines for my triangle, that shape that I was wanting. Y'all, I do feel like I'm doing a lot of talking, but I really want y'all to know everything that I use. This acrylic powder that I'm using right here is from Nail Supply Glamour. I don't remember the name of the actual powder, but I paid like $10-11 for it, and shipping was like $6. At least it was $6 to ship from there to Atlanta. It was kind of pricey, but I think it was worth it because I really do like this glitter color. So for right here, as you can see, I'm using my e-file to go over my Martini Blue color because it was a little bumpy, and I don't like doing my encapsulation when my nails are bumpy. I just make it look tacky to me, so I just go over it with my e-file. And then I'm using this for my encapsulation. I use this clear powder that I got from my local beauty supply store. The name of it is called Sunrise, but I'm not sure the actual company name. As you can see, when I do my encapsulation with the clear powder, I don't do one ball method or the two ball method. I usually go as much as I need to build up my nail and build up my apex so my nails won't break. That's usually where the hump is in your nail. That's your apex. I don't have long nails, but you still need to make sure that you do an apex just in case your nails break or not. Break or don't break. Regardless of it, you need to do it. So these are how my nails look after I do my application. Then I go in with my hand file first to start filing and shaping my nail. I use the hand file first because it just makes it easier when I go in with the e-file. The bits that I use with my e-file is this medium grid bit that I use for, smoothing out my acrylic and all that stuff. I also use this cuticle bit to seal the space in between my acrylic and my cuticle. And then I usually go over my nails with my sanding band, my medium sanding band, not my fine sanding band, because I use my fine sanding band for my natural nail, but I use a medium grid sanding band for it to go over and just smooth it out more, because it just, to me, that just creates just a very smooth lay. And you don't want your nails when you rub against them it to be bumpy, so you gotta do everything that you gotta do to make sure your stuff looks good. So you guys, we are actually coming to a close of this video. The rest of the video is just showing you me buffing and filing my nails. I didn't get to record a video of me putting on my top coat and using my LED light and all that stuff. But yeah guys, I really enjoyed doing this set for y'all. I think it was really pretty. The nail Mia Secret color pouch, I would say it was a good recommendation to get. Mind you, this video is not sponsored, so don't think it's sponsored. But yeah, I really enjoyed doing this set for y'all. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Leave a comment, tell me how you feel about my set, tell me what else I could do for some more videos, and follow my Instagram. My Instagram is TGS Nails with a Z. And yeah, I'll see y'all later.